Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something really fun. I'm going to be following Jackie Aina's makeup tutorial and hopefully try to see if I can do it. I've been seeing this trend a lot on YouTube. I know Thomas Halbert did one and somebody else did one, but you know, I thought I should do one as well because I thought it would be a very fun video for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hi, my name is Robin and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and let's get right into the video.
Hello, Jackie Aina, welcome back to my channel. Meanwhile, I'm over here looking like the red dancing emoji. I'm serving y'all a little beady bum bum today. Everybody, all right, everybody calm down. That's enough, that's enough. I told you guys I was gonna be coming for the holiday looks. I was gonna start doing more makeup tutorials and I meant it. This is kind of like a very classic glam. The real star of the show is the NARS Kiss Velvet Matte Lip Pencil Set. I know y'all have seen this in some.
Just so you guys know, she has like a lot of high-end makeup. I'm just gonna try to recreate this without using high-end makeup. I love her, but she talks a lot. It's cool though. So this is why I have my bonnet on. I wish I had a cool bonnet like she does, but you know, I just got this.
First of all, bonnet, that new Isoken Inofe. I will be linking where you can get these down below. And I like them because they're cheap.
I went on the website and it looks really expensive. Not looks, but it is really expensive.
Here, they have my secrets in here. My X's are in there. It's just, it's a lot. So let's start off with primer. I'm gonna be using the NARS Pour and Shine Control Primer. I'm
gonna be using this Master Prime Maybelline New York primer.
So there's this new SPF I've been using.
Wait, hold on. Let me catch up. Damn. Sometimes I just watch her videos for the intro. This primer gives me like a glowy look. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like super glowy. I'm gonna go in with this Smashbox Photo Finish Iconic Primer Stick. And I'm just gonna put that where I get really shiny, yeah.
I don't have the bottle with me, but I'll link it down below. And it's the first like physical SPF that I've been able to use that doesn't make me look super purple on camera. So if you saw that clear, non-ashy glow when I first started the video, non-purple ultraviolet glow.
Oh, that's cool, because I got one that's purple violet glow.
We got started, it's because of that SPF. I will be putting y'all.
And I think this is a good idea because my bags are bad.
This is my Visionaire Eye Correction by Lancome, by the way. I always put that on under my eye. It just really makes everything go on smoother and everything glides on a lot nicer. You guys know the drill. After primer, I usually apply some powder and I've become a new believer and a new fan.
Powder? Shit. Alright, I'm just gonna use this black Opal powder.
Sponge. And I'm gonna apply that into my problem areas. Pretty much the center of my face right in here, right where the pores. The pores do the most clap back in. Okay, so I wanted to follow a makeup tutorial of hers that wasn't holiday, but I couldn't find one. Like I had to go way down to find one because she usually just does like reviews and stuff, which I like because honestly, sometimes because of Jackie, that's when I buy stuff because everybody can say it's good. If Jackie says it's bad, it's bad. The All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, it really is a beautiful foundation. I still love my sheer glow just a little.
All right, well, I don't have that. Ooh, girl, I don't have that, so girl, I'm gonna be using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's my favorite foundation apart from Fenty.
They do say to use one pump for your whole face.
All right, I ain't got no pumper, so I'm just gonna I mean, shoot. Is there some on my teeth? Oh, that's just my gap. Oh, the only thing is I do my eyebrows before everything, you guys. Yo, she wasn't lying. This actually smoothens out your skin. I do my brows first just in case I like mess up. I don't have to redo my foundation, but
if you feel like my foundation is a little bit more yellow, it's definitely not this. It's just the powder, which is fine. That's easy to correct. I wasn't gonna contour for this tutorial, but now I kind of have to because I don't want my face looking extra light bright. Using these soft.
Okay, so she is using a cream contour. I usually use powder, but for today's video, we're using cream. Okay, so my cream contour is like as light as my skin. I don't have a dark cream contour. I can't find my other one, so my MAC Studio Fix powder is gonna have to do.
Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Ooh, this is a new one. Ooh, from NARS in the color Almond. and a Sigma Concealer Blend Kabuki F79 brush. I'm gonna just attack it.
All right, we're following you, sis. I better look alright at the end.
The center of my 5 head. Now I'm blending this out with a Beauty Blender sponge. I am gonna be adding another concealer though. There's levels to this. Don't ever forget that.
Oh, she put a concealer on? I missed that.
All up along here, all up along your temples. How's that?
Okay, so let me catch up. She put a concealer on. I don't know what concealer she used, but I'm using the LA Girl Chestnut. It's the best concealer, affordable price. Get it while you can. Wait, she didn't do that. Frick. She just put under, I think she just put under eye concealer, right?
For snatched. Blend your forehead contour first before you get into the light part. Like blend from the outside into the center, just so that it looks more, I'm not gonna say natural, but you know, it just looks more flattering. Ain't nobody got time to be looking natural. Do you think there's anything natural about the VIB Rouge sale? Absolutely not. For extra highlighting, I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury, the Retoucher Stick in shade number 9.
Why do I still look crusty and she looks decent? I don't understand. I'm following the same steps, sort of.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous for under eye. Like, it's so pretty. This isn't like the brightest concealer pan, but
okay, I'm just gonna use this concealer because it's brighter than my skin. And this is the NYX Concealer in Tan.
Charlie, you need to work on them shades though. You need some more shades, girl. You cute or whatever, but you need more shades. Back to the Evolution powder. I'm gonna go ahead.
Hold on.
And set the under eye area and my forehead, center my face.
But she's using a booty blender, so I'm gonna use a beauty blender as well. But I'm gonna use my favorite powder, which is the Patrick's powder from MAC. Sis, why haven't we done our brows yet?
Yeah. I wonder if I'm baking with my iPhone.
She did. Why did you do your brows without me, sis? We're supposed to do this together. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera too since she left me. Okay, we're back.
iPhone 10, the X, okay. Taking my Beauty Rust palette from Colored Rain.
All right, so I do not have the Beauty Rust palette, so I'm gonna use the 39A palette, which has almost every shade in there. Oh my gosh, I really need to take care of this. And all the products that I'm using, I'll link down below for you guys to, you know, check out.
Rain, look how pretty this is. You got all the basics.
Look how crusty this is.
Point. I'm taking 99 and using that as a lid color. Now I'm patting that color.
Okay, so that 99 color looks like this color right here in the 39A palette. So I'm gonna use that color
on as close to my lash line as possible because I want to try to minimize how much fallout we get. This is definitely not like a throw-on look. Like, doing this in steps is going to really give you the best outcome. So take your time, drive slow, homie. Okay, so take your time. I'm also rounding the shape. I never really do a round eye. Fallout, no, you not. No, the hell you not. I'm not about to come in and mess up all my hard work. I'm gonna take Dust Now.
Okay, Dust Now is kind of like a burgundy, like reddish thing. So I'm gonna go in with this color right here and go with more of a flat brush and put that on the under. You heard what she said.
Run that along my bottom lash line. Now with my pencil brush, I'm smoking that out.
And then smoke it out.
Then to soften up the crease area, I'm going to take Recharge and just start.
I'm gonna use this color right here.
Adding that in as a transition color. This is almost kind of giving me sunset eye vibes. That's not really the look I was going for, but whatever. Doing little baby strokes, little baby strokes. It's the Shania Lash from Bahi Cosmetics. Wow, that
okay, I don't have that, but I do have my Ardell lashes, and you can find these at Walmart.
So I'm gonna take Rose d'Oro from Milani.
Okay, I think she swept her powder off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same. So I'll look crazy.
And you can really go, well, at least on my skin tone.
You put mascara on and didn't let me know. Girl, I'm following your lead.
But it barely shows up, so I'm just gonna like keep adding and adding and adding because it's such a pretty color.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use Me Money and Hustle Baby, and those are my favorite combinations of highlight. I just literally tap into like this and then use that to highlight.
Color. Now adding a mystery highlighter. And this look I think is screaming for some brow bone highlight, so I'm gonna take a little bit, a teensers of that highlight right in this area.
Okay. A little teensers.
Like right at the peak. I rarely do that. I have to be in some kind of mood to do the brow bone situation.
Yeah,
I still have lashes.
I don't like to put highlighter on my brow bone either. I don't know why. I think because it could look very tacky. Or maybe I just don't know how to put it on.
Profile doodle. Really, you really can't tell me nothing. You really can't. Tonight, after I wash my face, however, then we can talk about it. Lashes coming through, make way, make a hole. Okay, so for our lips, which is the star of the show, I really wanted to do this like red ombre show. I really wanted to do this like red ombre stacked look. I've just been into that look lately. It's freaking Pat McGrath. I follow Pat McGrath on Instagram, and she's been, all these Facebook ads of her doing these ombre lips have really inspired me lately. So I'm gonna be using the Man Ray Fernand's Holiday 2017 collection. So not only do you get this super cute makeup bag, which I, not even gonna lie, I always be collected.
I'm gonna use this MAC lipstick.
And then I'll start blending it and feathering it into the inner corners of my lips. I like covering my Cupid's bow, especially when I'm gonna do a sexy color. I just go right over it. I just do a straight line instead of following my Cupid's bow. No, I just like the way that looks better. So after applying Endangered Red as a liner and then feathering it out, you end up with something that looks like this, and the magic is just beginning, so hold on to your draws. Then Tundra is, I think, gonna be paired really well with Endangered Red. They both have kind of like a red undertone. Tundra looks a little bit more rustic. I'm applying that in the middle.
I'm using this MAC lipstick in Nude du Jour.
On my lips, basically filling in the gaps where Endangered Red left off. So that gives us a nice transition. Ooh. Ooh. That's kind of cute though. I had no idea how this was gonna turn out. I just went with it. But I love how it's giving me metallic and matte at the same time. Spellbound is a really light, rosy, metallic color that we are going to pop right in the middle.
Okay, I don't have that. Hold on. This is kind of... Should I have even added this? Jackie, help! I messed up, I think. This kind of looks like it, right?
I'm especially concentrating it right in the Cupid's bow. Oh, that is fabulous. Definitely gonna wanna add this shade right above your Cupid's bow if you want your lips to look more fuller. Shimmer's always gonna get it pop. And there you have it. That is our final look. How about now with my bag?
Okay, so this is what I got so far from the look. I got the concept down. My face looks a little ashy. The one thing that I'll keep in her tutorial is definitely putting the powder before the foundation, because that did minimize my pores. It also made like my face a little more matte, so I believe that my face is not gonna get oily, because throughout the day my face gets a little oily, so hopefully that makes the oiliness not be so much. The only thing that I did not like, I highlight before I contour, and I do my brows first before anything. I mean, they're not bad, but I definitely do my brows before everything, just in case I mess up, then I don't have to like wipe the whole thing, you know what I mean? I like the eyeshadow, but I do my eyeshadow before I highlight just in case there's fallout. But other than that, I like it. What do you guys think? Did I do a good job following her tutorial? I don't know, but either way, I had so much fun doing this video. Unless you have an open mind of how other people do their makeup versus how you do your makeup and what you like with your makeup routine and what you think you could switch up and stuff like that. So I mean, I really like it. But yeah, this is the final look. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye!